Right now, there's a lot of the emphasis is on pain analgesics that work in the periphery because there's a great interest in the discovery of receptors in the peripheral nervous system. And we know that early on, even in chronic pain conditions, with the initiation of the chronic pain condition, there is activation of these receptors in the periphery. The signals originate from those receptors, but what we have shown in this work is that after a period of time, it's these signals coming from the central nervous system that predominate, and these signals from the central nervous system that are responsible for the maintenance of the pain over long periods of time and the enhancement of the pain over long periods of time. Well, it means that we now have to search for ways of blocking the pain signals that come from the central nervous system, because these pain signals that come from the central nervous system, they involve different receptors and different neurotransmitters, and we have to discover a way in which we can block signals coming from those neurotransmitters and those receptors. And those will be different drugs that would be hitting those receptors. I think that we have a great deal of knowledge now that can lead, hopefully, to new discoveries, new agents that might be important in reducing the problem, in eliminating or blocking pain in many, many people who have persistent pain problems. There are a number of comorbid pain conditions such as TMD, such as irritable bowel syndrome, such as fibromyalgia, that have similar symptomatology and similar involvement of the central nervous system. And we think that those kinds of the receptors and the transmitters or the neuronal mediators that are important for those conditions, that we need to understand them better because they will help us understand the basis of a lot of these different chronic pain conditions.